Hi, my name is Vivian Lovecchio, and this is hydrophilic and hydrophobic substances. Hydrophilic means the ability to mix well, dissolve, or to be attracted to water. Examples are salt, sugar, cellulose, and starch, just to name a few. Hydrophobic, defined as resistant to or avoiding wetting. Examples are oils, fats, waxes, and otter's hair. Why certain substances are hydrophilic? Hydrophilic items have a negative charge. A hydrophilic molecule, or portion of a molecule, is typically charged, polarized, and capable of hydrogen bonding, enabling it to dissolve more readily in water than in oil or other hydrophobic solvents. Hydrophilic substances can seem to attract water out of the air. Why certain substances are hydrophobic. Hydrophobic items have a non-polar charge. Hydrophobic molecules typically dissolve in non-polar solvents, and in the picture, as you can see, is an example of a lipid which is hydrophobic in water. So as you can see, the polar heads are hydrophilic, that is why they are facing the water. Their tails are hydrophobic, hence why they are hidden away from the water. And if you look closely, you can see the different charges on the water molecules. What this means about how the substance will interact if placed in a beaker of water. Adding salt into water, salt will fall to the bottom. It will eventually begin to dissolve. Stirring it may help it dissolve quicker, and we'll no longer be able to see the salt in water. Now this is an easy experiment that you can do at home as well. As you can see from the pictures, that is what the molecules look like once the salt is first added, once it starts to begin to dissolve, and once it's completely dissolved. And what this means about how the substance will interact if placed in a beaker of water again, but for hydrophobic. So adding oil into water, the oil will turn into multiple circles, especially when you stir it up. And when you let it settle, and the oil will all collect on top of the water. This is another easy experiment that you can do at home. So in the picture, when you add the liquid of the oil into the water, those little bubbles will form. But once they settle, all those bubbles will start to collect up at the top of the water since they are hydrophobic. And that is it. Thank you for listening.